Testing. All right, so appears to be working. All right, we're ready to go. We are going over the all patterns. Okay. Settings. I do like to use both, but you can do this. Okay. My settings are doji, engulfing. Okay. No, not the hand. Okay. Simple. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Not always effective, especially when the trend is strong. I'm going to show you by selecting the harmonic. Let's see if I can go to, I'm going to show that BE. May not be able to. So like if it was a bearish BE, like, well, no, I'm sorry. Yeah, this one's odd-cats. Odd-cat is okay as far as following the BEs. Of course, it's not 100% effective, but some of these are the strong uptrend, will get broken. Double top BE, okay, you want to take that. BE where they go back inside the harmonic, buy, you definitely want to take that. Here's a BE with the double top also, you want to take those, okay? So you kind of see, when you put it in, you'll be able to see a lot of, a lot of these double good threes didn't work out. 3 didn't work out. 1 worked out. 3 didn't work out. So you want to be, I would say more so, just want to pay attention to one BE, not when it's a cluster of BEs. All right, when it's one, you're better off. Also, when it's combined with the double top, which is standard. Move it on to the next one, odd CHF. This one I thought was fairly good. Didn't work on a breakout. See this, how you have this and it broke out, it breached the harmonic. The BEs couldn't stop it. So you don't want to go against a harmonic breakout. So you don't want to go against when there's a that situation. Okay, always best to buy when a breakout, or wait till it turns down. Singular, group. When there's several of them, it's not good. You don't want several of them. What's the next one? Odd JPY is useless. Odd NZD, it's useless. With odd SG, with SGD. And these strong trends, they're just pushing against. So you want the trend to get weak before you're taking BEs. I mean, I prefer you do these in conjunction with the double top or double bottom. Like, so there's a double bottom here, double bottom BE. That's when you really want to use it. And with the harmonic, let's say we have a harmonic that's being obeyed, and you see the BE. And then this ran into a BE here, just a little pop, but then ran into another harmonic. So it's going to have its flaws. So I'm not too crazy about it. Some of them are really good. I mean, some of the pairs are really good. You know, you'll find some of those. So the next one, USD, the Australian. So this has become weak. So, you know, you're watching harmonics, top, you know, very well. See, it's working, comes here and then ends up being flat and comes back inside, and it's just bouncing in and out like that. See, it's just inside here, and it's just, you know, the stop for this is actually like right here, basically. I use this as a stop, but the real stop is right here. So just watch for that. Gartley, boom, BE. Just, you know, following the BEs. It really is. That's all USD does that, which is, you know, it's really good. I think it's really effective to use on the pair. Next. Where are we? See, CHF is going to be the next one. Now, these tend to go beyond, see, and then obey. You know, if they go up there past the BE and then they come back, then yeah, you want to short. This one not too far, comes back up, it's forming a harmonic. BE with a harmonic. Then still turned around. It's kind of not going far. It's just like zigzag, zigzag. But staying within these. I mean, it's really obeying it in some places, but not with a doji. When a doji appears underneath, it's going to end up going back up past the BE. So you want to watch for that. You don't want to trade them with the doji in front of it. CAD JPY. Oh. Strong trend on the yen. Yen pairs, I mean, it's pretty much useless to me. On the yen pairs, as you can see, I mean, the trends you can trend for quite long, and even though you get that, especially when you're going to get dojis below it, and it's just going to keep going. Can't trade it with a doji also. A bottom one by itself is pretty good. I mean, if it's kind of a standalone. Not Simpson. Let's see, what's next?
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
CHF. Oh man, why is this getting caught? What's the microphone getting caught? Let's see. I'm looking over next to the chart. Try to find where's my, oh, here it is. CHF JPY. This chart is organized differently. Not ADC. So boom, boom, hit, doji, hit, doji. See, that doji just turned it right around. Doji. Keeps running into a doji, and that's kind of how these yen pairs are. Then you see the tops keep getting topped. That's pretty good, I think. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Strong downtrend. So when you got that trend going, I mean, I just wait for the trend to get weak before I use it. But if I want to see but if I'm over here before all that started and it's weak, see it's kind of weak in here, I'm going to be obeying the BEs. Okay. Here I'm going to be obeying those. When the trend, see how it just got weak in this area. But this ended up, it goes past the BE, especially when it does this. I mean, the trend's stronger. And then when it breaks past this point right here, the trend's really strong. Okay. You want to short that. I got a lot of pips out of this trade. Shorting it from down right below that point, like right here, right below that point. I got a lot, man. Look at this. 405 pips. Told you. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to hit GBP. So, EuroCAD is the next one. EuroCAD is the next one. EuroCAD, it's kind of a little funny. One, a little bit, yeah. 2, 3, collapses. Goes, it's in a strong downtrend. Slows down, gets broken, follows a little bit, and makes another one, and kind of just, it tends to get past. I mean, so I wouldn't use it because, it just goes past. The next one is Euro CHF. Euro CHF. You can see how it does. All right. A group of 3. Doji, group of 3. So, these are ones that you want to watch for a group of 3 pairs. If it gets past, start over. See how I got past 1, 2, 3. Okay, third one, boom. Okay. I want a GBP too. GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Euro GBP. Let's see. So we got pass with the doji. Weird. Group 1, 2, and then 3 and pass. So it's 1, 2, 3. You gotta really follow that 1, 2, 3 thing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. She started over. 1, 2, 3. It's always on the third one. So we'll put that. Some of them are like that, man. Wait a minute. I put that on the wrong. Not did that right. Yeah. So the next one is going to be Euro JPY. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, this is what it looks like. It's going against. It's got all these, you know, that trend just continues on the yen. That's how it is. You want to wait for a flat market, then it acts right. So, let's see. The next one is Euro NZD. That's what I'm find it over here. Euro NZD. A lot of them show up. Change the settings, makes them less sensitive, but it's a setting I use. So, group of 3, 3, third, pass, start 1, 2, 3, forget. If it doesn't do it, you know, 1, and then kind of just weird. It kind of market goes flat, and then start the 1 goes back to 1 again. But 3, yeah, I mean, I would go on the third. So you definitely want to be on the, I was about to write it here, but I changed my mind. You definitely want to be on, trading the third pair, or the third BE, that is. Is it Euro? The Euro JP, no. Oh, I did it backwards. No. Yeah, I did it right. So Euro USD is the next one. Euro USD, I have it here. These are really good for, I think, just watching the doji. I mean, that's what I would do. Forget the BEs, man. You know, you can go by like the third or fourth doji, you know. And that's how I would do it. GBP AUD. How would I do it? Let's see. I know it's just kind of crazy. Strong downtrend was happening. Finally went to a flat market. Once it gets to a flat market, you are good to go. You should be good to go, I think. Or you just wait for the fourth B. So you could do either or. GBP cat. On flat market only, I would do that. Oh man, I didn't know I could do this. Nice. I can do full screen. That's what's up. All kinds of buttons. So yeah, so you want to only do this one. I'd say when it's flat, when the market's flat, it's pretty good. Not when it's, I mean, it's just It's in a downtrend. Like it's on its trend. Trend's still going. Trend's starting to flatten out. So now it's starting to obey. So you start obeying this one, start cracking. Then it start obeying these. So you know when they stop passing them, like so much like up here, so they just get past. It doesn't bounce off of it. You know this trend is strong. Okay. It's just another clue. Let's see. What's the next one? Gbp CHF. I think Gbp CHF. Where was it? Was it up? Yeah, there it is. Gbp CHF. The downtrend wasn't. Wait a minute. Downtrend, yes, but not as strong. So, kind of responded to it, you know. Then it didn't, you know. But it's a flat market. Now it is. Here, back here, is a little different. Here to here, yeah, very good. Here to there, for 1 BE. I mean, I'd take it off on. I mean, one by itself, it looks great. I think one by itself is really good. But if it's in groups, it's like not good. It's happening right behind the other. It's not good. GBP. Oh, wait a minute. So next is Gbp Jpy. Which is about, here it is.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
BE appears on a spike, gets stopped by the doji. That would bounces, continues down past it. It pushed it down because this started to interfere. And once it got back inside, it was just done. BE. You don't get big bounces off of them. I mean, I wouldn't even use it, honestly. I think it's useless. So the GBP, NGD, I mean, pretty much would see this. Oh, wait a minute, I'm jumping ahead of myself. Look at the way it looks on GBP ND. I mean, even on this one, it's pretty much telling me that it's going to continue going down. You know, when you see BEs lined up in clusters, you know that's going to continue to go down. Kind of a confirmation of a trend. Clusters let us know trend continuing. I'm writing this down. Continue. So the clusters are letting us know that the trend's continuing. GBP USD. I like it. I like it. Okay. I like it. I mean, it's not like perfect, but it's good enough. It's 75% or so. It's good enough in my book. Now the NZD CAD. We're moving on. NZD CAD. 2, boom, went right past. So I mean, I traded on the second to third one. Got 1, 2, 3. Still, oh yeah, still was just. That's like good. It's like it's better for shorting it, huh? Yeah, I would say short only because it seems more confirming. Sell only, in my opinion. NZD CHF. You see something, you see a pattern. I mean, these are the patterns I see. This one is like the third or second BE. You should obey. Third or second. You got a double top, man. It's kind of too far away. See, it's in front of the doji. Not good when the doji is there. Doji forms up below it. It's like, forget it. So say no doji, third no doji, in my opinion. NZD CHF. So it's going to be third no doge, I think. Let's see, NZD JPY. Let's see if this one's useless. I'm thinking this one, the NZD JPY, is useless. I could be wrong. A lot. Boom, pass. When they're in groups like that, yeah. Follow the doji instead, right? Follow the doji. Look at this. Yeah, follow the doji instead. So now we're moving on to NZD, USD. Right here. I mean, the doji does it every time. It never breaks the doji. Look at that. I'm going to step that last one. I mean, look at this. It's constantly. Then the BE, boom, doji, BE. Doji overcomes the BE. Here. But I say it's kind of a lot in here. Maybe spread the pattern of the chart out because it's just so close together. BE up, comes back to it, bounces off, really good. Comes here, bounces, hits doji, right here on the next, ends up being a doji, goes right past it. Doji overcomes it. Doji overcomes a lot of these BEs and stuff. This one it didn't. Yeah. Never 100%. But if it got, you trade off one, man. It goes past the label, I mean, but it comes back to it. You can short it. It does that sometimes. I think it's good. I'm typing into the thing, and I'm still haven't moved to it. Hold on, sorry. I think it's good. So I'm gonna put my notes here for what which each one is, and I want to be able to give you guys something. Yo, what's going on, man? It's not working. Hold on. It's just not typing. Not typing at all. Oh. Oh, my internet just went down. That's why. I'm like wondering what's going on. Can't edit offline. Oh. So NZD, okay, well, this computer is not the network. Computer somehow went out on me. So I'm going to have to stop it here. Then the rest of them, I'll let you know On USD CAD, it's not good if breach. You know, if it's trend strong, okay, the trend strong, it's not going to be stopped by the BE. USD CHF is trend strong, not stopped by the BE. On the USD CNH, the third BE, you want to follow. Count starts over if the third fails. Same thing for USD JPY. All right, thank you. And I'll continue. We'll continue with the next training after this.